Picture this. The sun is shining brightly, casting its golden glow across the world. The warmth of the day wraps around you like a familiar embrace, the sun's rays kissing your skin and illuminating the land. You walk through life, immersed in the rhythm of the day, unaware of the quiet, invisible forces that shape the very world you live in. The sun, your constant, unwavering companion in the sky, has always been there, casting its brilliant light, providing the energy that sustains life. But suddenly, the world begins to change. It is subtle at first. You might not notice it immediately. Perhaps a breeze stirs in the air, a gentle drop in temperature that doesn't seem to make sense for midday. The shadows around you stretch and deepen, as if the very fabric of time and light is shifting, holding its breath. For just a brief moment, the earth seems to pause. You look up, and there it is. The sun, the same one you've known your entire life, is beginning to disappear, but not in the way you've ever seen before. Slowly, as though the sky is being swallowed whole by some unseen force, the light begins to fade, and a shadow creeps over the land. The warmth of the day begins to slip away, replaced by a coolness that feels out of place. The skies darken, but not like a storm approaching. This is something different. The sunlight dims in a slow and deliberate dance, as though a cosmic curtain is falling, revealing the hidden mysteries of the heavens. The world around you becomes eerily still, like the calm before a storm. But it isn't a storm at all. What you're witnessing is something much more ancient, something that has occurred countless times throughout the history of the universe. It is a moment of perfect cosmic harmony, when the forces of light and shadow come together to create an event of breathtaking beauty. This is a solar eclipse, a fleeting celestial event where the moon, the earth, and the sun align in such a perfect, awe-inspiring way that the daylight fades, and the world is bathed in the strange, ethereal twilight of a brief, cosmic pause. A solar eclipse does not just occur by chance. It is not a random event. It is a delicate dance of celestial bodies, a cosmic performance in which the sun, the moon, and the earth all play their parts in perfect harmony. And this dance, when it happens, is nothing short of miraculous. Let us begin with the sun. The sun is far more than just a bright light in the sky. It is the heartbeat of our solar system, a massive sphere of boiling plasma that powers nearly everything on Earth. It radiates light and energy across 150 million kilometers, lighting the way for life itself. This fiery giant, 1.4 million kilometers in diameter, is the source of all warmth, all growth, all sustenance. It's difficult to fathom just how vast and powerful it truly is. The energy it emits powers the seasons, drives the weather, and fuels the very life forces that sustain us. Without the sun, Earth would be nothing more than a cold, lifeless rock adrift in the vast blackness of space. Then there is the moon, Earth's closest neighbor. It is not just a pale disk that floats across the sky, but a powerful force that affects the tides, stabilizes our planet's axial tilt, and has been a constant companion to humanity throughout history. The moon's 3,474-kilometer diameter may be small compared to the sun's, but its proximity to Earth makes it far more impactful. The moon is not only the source of the tides, but it is also responsible for keeping Earth's axis stable, providing us with the predictability of seasons and climates. Its gravitational pull has shaped the rhythms of life, and when it aligns with the sun in just the right way, something truly magical happens. The most astounding part of a solar eclipse is the perfect cosmic alignment between the moon and the sun. Despite the vast difference in size, the sun being about 400 times larger than the moon is exactly 400 times closer to Earth than the sun. This cosmic coincidence means that when the moon moves in front of the sun, it can completely cover it, creating the stunning and rare spectacle that is a solar eclipse. It is a miracle of geometry, a rare event that gives us a glimpse into the exquisite precision with which our universe is designed. As the moon begins to move across the sun, something extraordinary happens. The moon does not simply cast a single shadow upon the Earth. No, it casts layers of shadow, each one offering a different experience of the eclipse. These layers are like the chapters of a cosmic story that reveal themselves as the eclipse unfolds. At the center of this celestial dance lies the umbra, the darkest part of the moon's shadow. This is the realm of totality, where the sun is completely obscured by the moon, and the world is plunged into an eerie twilight. Imagine standing in this shadow. The air chills, and the sun disappears behind the moon, leaving behind a mysterious blackness. It is a moment of breathtaking beauty, as the sun's corona, a halo of plasma, millions of kilometers wide, becomes visible for the first time. This shimmering crown of the sun is delicate and fragile, stretching out into space, offering a glimpse into the sun's true nature, a sight few will ever witness. For a few fleeting moments, you are transported from the daylight into the vastness of night, but not just any night. The night of the cosmos, a moment when time itself seems to stand still, and you are connected to the infinite. If you are standing in the penumbra, the lighter part of the shadow, the eclipse still transforms the world, but in a softer, gentler way. The sun is only partially obscured by the moon, casting a shadow that dims the daylight, making the world feel as though it's bathed in a soft, surreal twilight. The shadows stretch further, and the colors of the landscape shift. Even though the full force of the eclipse is not visible here, the effect is still striking. The world seems to take on a deeper mystery, and the rhythm of the day feels suspended. If the moon is farther away in its orbit, you'll experience an annular eclipse. In this case, the moon appears smaller than the sun, and as it moves across the sun, it creates a stunning ring of fire. This is an eclipse unlike any other, as the black disk of the moon is surrounded by the radiant, burning light of the sun, forming a fiery ring that seems to stretch endlessly across the sky. It's as if the moon itself has become the gatekeeper to the sun, revealing only the barest hint of its power, a reminder that we are connected to the stars, both in light and shadow. One of the most wondrous aspects of a solar eclipse is the path of totality, a narrow band across the Earth where the eclipse is visible in its full glory. This path is fleeting, traveling across the surface of the Earth at speeds that can exceed 5,000 kilometers per hour. But in that brief time, the experience is utterly transformative. In the path of totality, the world changes. The sky turns dark as night, even though it is still the middle of the day. The temperature drops dramatically, and an eerie quiet falls over the land. The birds stop singing, the wind stills, and for a brief moment, the earth seems to pause. The sun has been swallowed by the moon, and in its place, a strange twilight fills the world. It is as though time itself has slowed, and you are part of something greater, something ancient. But as quickly as it came, the total eclipse is over. The sun's light returns, and the world is once again bathed in its warmth and brilliance. You are left with a sense of awe and wonder, a memory that will stay with you forever. The eclipse may be over, but the connection to the cosmos remains. A solar eclipse is a moment of extraordinary significance. It is not just an event that occurs in the sky. It is a reminder of the vastness of the universe and the intricate balance that allows life to exist on our small, fragile planet. It reminds us that we are part of something far greater than ourselves, connected to the stars and the forces of nature in ways we cannot fully understand. When you witness a solar eclipse, you are seeing not just the alignment of the sun, the moon, and the earth, but the harmony of the cosmos, a vast, interconnected dance that has been unfolding for billions of years. And in those precious moments of totality, when the sun is veiled and the world falls into twilight, you are not just a spectator. You are part of the universe, standing on the edge of time, caught in the wonder of the cosmos. The solar eclipse is a timeless reminder that the universe is in constant motion, that we are part of something greater, something eternal, and for a brief moment, we can all feel the beauty and power of that connection. It is a reminder to look up, to marvel at the extraordinary mysteries that lie beyond our understanding, and to be grateful for the rare, magical moments that remind us we are all connected, under the same sky, together with the universe.